Hi guys, good morning. So just like I said yesterday, my analysis yesterday, the whole thing was playing out. So if you can remember, I said that GPJPY should drop to this level, then we'll pick a buy. Initially, it was supposed to come to this level, but as I saw this market shift from this level, so I know that you're gonna be buying from here. So initially, I took this first entry from here. So because of this market structure shift, I'm still waiting for another pullback into this level to take another entry. Yeah, so I'm waiting for price to still drop to this level, then we take another buy to this supply. So that's it. The whole thing was playing out. Also on USDJPY, if you could remember, I was waiting for price to break this resistance level, price to break this resistance level. So that's why I said that price should break this resistance level, and price broke above. So I'm waiting for pullback. You understand? Price have broken this resistance level here to the upside, so I'm waiting for pullback into this origin to take it a buy. You understand? So analysis are playing out. The analysis are playing out. So it's just for us to take the opportunity and execute. So also on XAUSD, yesterday I told the people that once price gets to this zone, that you should be looking to see a market structure shift just like this. You should be looking to see something like this. Then you take your entry from the origin, then boom. So currently, I waited the whole yesterday, but the market didn't give any structure shift. So, but here you can see market is consolidating after this break of structure to the downside. Markets have been consolidating throughout Asian session. Even now, it's still consolidating. So, what I'm looking out for now is I want the market to either come down, sweep the whole liquidity that are seated below here, sweep the liquidity and break structure. You understand? If market is able to sweep liquidity and break structure, then we will enter from the pullback to take it higher. You understand? But anyways, market can still come here. Market can still just break structure immediately. You understand? But if it breaks here, I will not be entering if only it breaks here. But if eventually it breaks here and still break this one, this high, if it breaks here and still break this high up, then I will be waiting for the pullback to enter. Is that clear? All right, so that's it. What I said, XAUSD, if eventually it didn't sweep the whole liquidity seated below, I'll be waiting for the double break of structure, which is break this high and break the other high. If it breaks the two of them, then I'll be waiting for the pullback into the other block that caused it. Then I will take a buy from there. USDJPY, it have done what we are anticipated for. We are only looking out for our entry, which is for it to pull back into our origin. For it to pull back into our origin here, then we take a buy. Then also GBPJPY, we're in on the trade already, but I'm still waiting for another entry. I want to use 2 position on this trade, so I'm in on the first entry. If price gets to this resistance on the first entry, I'll close there. Then I will look for another entry, which is if price gets here, I'll close the first entry. If price gets here, I'll close the first entry. Then I'll be looking for a pullback I'll be looking for a pullback into here. If price is able to reach here, I will close. Then I'll be waiting for a pullback here. Then I'll buy again. This buy, I'll be holding it till this level or even more. So watch out for that, guys. Execute with proper risk management. So if you are wondering the broker I use to trade with, I recommend Access Markets. They have the tightest spread, no swap fee. You can hold trade as much as you want. You can swing, you can scalp, any type of trader you are, you can use Access Markets. They have the tightest spread and fast payouts. If you will request for a withdrawal, you get it immediately. For the link, it is in my bio. If you want to register with them, you click on the link in my description and sign up with them.